Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing this morning? Today is Sunday, January 13th. Let's go do a drive around town. We're less than a week away from the opening of the big RV show, Quartzsite RV show, the big tent. Celarama, Tyson Wells, Desert Gardens is getting ready. You know, it's amazing. I'm heading down East Quail Trail right now. It's amazing how the town in increments. I watched one of my old videos from a couple months ago, one of my drive arounds, how empty everything looked. You'll be amazed now, even on an early Sunday morning. Let's make a right here on Wriggles. We'll head down to Main Street. Look at the pretty day. The weather outlook this week looks like a little bit of rain. They said Tuesday, Wednesday. Then who knows from there. But next weekend's supposed to be beautiful. Probably close to 70 degrees and sunny. That'll be good for the big tent. Quartzsite RV show. Okay, up here on the left is the Arco. We'll check gas prices here, see what they're up to. Gas is still way up there, almost $2.70 a gallon. My goodness. You know, when I was up in Vegas, it was cheap all the way down until I got to Quartzsite. Right here we are on Main Street. Wriggles in Maine. We're going to be heading west. Okay, we're going to head down here. Here's where a couple of the RV dealers are. See all the motorhomes, trailers, fifth wheels. They got them lined up and they are for sale. Amazing how they move that many rigs. Another month they're all gone. They will be out of here. Okay, on the right, that's Sweet Darlene's Restaurant and Bakery. On the left's another RV dealer. Right there on the right is Reader's Oasis Bookstore. Old Paul. If you've never been in there, it's kind of a unique place to stop. Just be prepared. Okay, we're passing Plymouth Avenue. That's where we were. That's where the parade was, up Plymouth. Up here on the right is one of the dollar stores. This town has 2 dollar stores in it, believe it or not. Then up here on the right will be that Mobility. They sell scooters there and all that. Mobility something. Left is Crawford's. And you got another gas station. There's several gas stations in this town. 263 at that one. Then good old Roadrunner Market. Busy, busy place. About the only place you can really buy food here. Okay, we're approaching Central Avenue. Right here in the corner too is Satellite Advantage. If you need anything done with like Dish or DirecTV, they are the dealer here. Very busy this time of year. And we're off. Up here on the right, there's the local pharmacy, then the post office, then the High Ollie Showground. Right there, flea market. That's where you buy the old junk. They all got the old stuff, the old rusted metal and old-time tools. It's really a unique experience. Get in there, big 55-gallon drums full of rocks. Pretty cool. Then here's the row of the old-time RV parks on both sides. Hassler on the right. Then you got Holiday Palms. 88 Shades up here on the left. And right past that will be B10 Campground. This used to be the real old part of Quartzsite. Some of the old buildings, some of them have been restored. But you can see it's just getting busier and busier. You see motorhomes and rigs and campers and vans everywhere. The RV parks are filling up. On the left's a big market. It's a liquor store, hardware store. Then right here on the left is the other dollar store. Then Vendors Square, the Vendors of Main Street, right there on the right-hand side. Quartzsite's car dealership on the left. Place in there called Days Diesel Repair too, if you need diesel repair. Yacht Club, very, very popular. Then we're getting into the downtown district of Quartzsite. You got Pilot on the left, which Quartzsite's really like a truck stop town, trucker town. Then you get all the buildings there on the right-hand side. Chamber of Commerce. That blue building there is a tire shop if you need tires. Gem World on the right. On the left there's some little businesses. Then we're at the end of it. This is the end of Main Street. There's the old main event. He don't have vendors anymore. I don't know why, but who knows. Okay, we'll make a left here. And over the interstate we go. This is exit 17. This is the busiest intersection that you'll find. It. All the trucks exit here for the truck stops. There's no traffic lights and they can get congested. Like I've said before, I always recommend exit 19. Okay, we're going to make a left here on Kewen. We'll go down through the showgrounds. If you go straight there, you'll go back up around where Q Mountain. There's actually an RV park. Desert Gardens RV Park is back in there. And there's a few things back there. There's a lot of ATV trails. If you're a four-wheeler, a lot of ATVs will go back there and run around. A lot of trails. Okay, this is Kewen. Kind of runs along with Interstate 10 right there on the left. Then we're getting close. Up here on the right-hand side will be Desert Garden Showgrounds. And look at all the cars. Yeah, they're open big time. It looks full. They're doing business. Good to see. That's a unique place. I will film in there. Then up here on the left, see that overpass bridge? That's a pedestrian bridge that you can actually walk across the interstate from downtown. So you don't have to drive over here if it gets too jammed up and no parking. Okay, we're getting close to Tyson Wash. Alrighty, boy, look at that pink or purple bus. Wow. That'd be easy to find. Okay, we're going to cut down here through the wash. This is Tyson Wash. This is the main drainage system for the entire area. This is Quartzsite's natural storm drain system, and it works very well. I've done a few videos on flash floods here, and you'll see it in use, which is good. Protects everyone in town. Alrighty, this is Tyson Wells, and when you come down here, you just got to be patient. It can get slow going through here. You can see people just parking everywhere. The huge free parking right there on the left, right where those trucks and pickups pulling in. That's all free parking back in there. And it's a big area. Fits a lot of cars. You can go back, find a good place to park. To try to catch something along the street, good luck. Those fill up early. If you get down here super early before they open up, you might catch one in the street. That's kind of hard to do. Here on the right is his main office. The game store at Tyson Wells. Let's let this pickup go right here. Okay, I'm gonna fly the drone over by the big tent here in just a little bit. You'll see that footage at the end of this video, so stay tuned. See all the vendors. Now, this is the last day of the Rock and Gem show for Tyson. Then all the vendors change over and they're going to get geared up for the Cellarama, which is the huge 10-day show coming up, and that starts this coming Friday. Also, I'm heading out to the RTR right now. I'm going to go out and scope it out. I want to see a couple people out there that I've been watching on YouTube. Hope I can run into those two characters. Then I'll be flying a drone around out there too, see what's going on at the RTR 2019. Those videos will be coming up next. We're passing through Rice Ranch here. On the left we see those flags. That's Bad Boys Cafe. Good place to get something to eat. They got some really good food, good prices in there. Okay, well there's our drive around town, January 13th. I'm going to keep going straight. Ends up in Scadan Wash, and I'll go check out what's happening down there at the BLM of Scadan and that RTR event. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon. Take care.